Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Voyage marker. To begin your quest, understand that these special markers are hidden treasures, waiting to be discovered through careful exploration. They are not always easy to find, often requiring you to solve intricate puzzles or complete specific challenges. Each successful collection brings you closer to unlocking exciting in-game achievements and unique rewards, making every journey worthwhile. Before embarking on your search, proper preparation is key. First, gather any essential in-game tools or special abilities that might be needed for your voyage. Next, take a moment to carefully observe your environment. Many markers are concealed behind subtle hints or require navigating secret passages. Finally, always ensure your character is in peak condition, with full health and ample resources, ready to face any unexpected challenges. The journey to a voyage marker often involves overcoming various challenges. You might need to activate a series of objects, perhaps 3 glowing orbs, in a very specific sequence. Other markers require you to solve environmental puzzles, such as clicking on certain mushrooms to reveal a path. Be prepared for timed tasks too. Some markers demand quick action, like watering a newly planted seed before it withers. After successfully navigating all the challenges, the final step is to claim your voyage marker. Once all conditions are fulfilled, simply approach the marker and interact with it to add it to your collection. A confirmation message will usually appear, signifying your success. Now, you can celebrate your accomplishment and enjoy the unique benefits or achievements that come with obtaining this special collectible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.